In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit CRO and farm Doge with Crypto.com's Supercharger. And for the latest information on Crypto.com, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Crypto.com, who are famous for their one-stop shop crypto app, have now released their Dogecoin event on Supercharger. Supercharger is a simple, flexible and secure liquidity mining platform for the most popular crypto projects. Their first project that launched on Supercharger was the Uniswap UNI token with a $500,000 allocation, and they've since launched successful events with the likes of Polkadot and Bitcoin. And their latest project is with Doge, with a total of $250,000. Both app and exchange users will receive Doge as rewards for depositing CRO tokens into the Supercharger pool. Supercharger allows Crypto.com users to deposit CRO and farm DeFi coins with one click. There's no gas fees and participants can withdraw at any time. And the Dogecoin event with Supercharger starts charging on the 27th of February 2021 and ends on the 29th of March 2021. And the reward or distribution starts 30 days afterwards. Any verified Crypto.com exchange user is eligible to participate as long as you have some CRO to deposit. And users who participated in the previous Supercharger events can keep their CRO deposit in the Supercharger pool to be automatically carried across to the Doge event. So how does Supercharger work? Well, when a Supercharger event is in the charging period, users can deposit and withdraw tokens from the liquidity pool as often as they want with no gas fees. A charging period is for 30 days and there's a minimum deposit of 100 CRO, which users can deposit from their Crypto.com exchange spot wallet. Then the reward or distribution period is then for the next 30 days and starts after the charging period. Users' rewards are based on the liquidity score they accumulated during the charging period, and rewards are distributed evenly on a daily basis during the reward period and are prorated on a user's share of the total liquidity pool. These tokens are then sent back to your Crypto.com exchange spot wallet. So all you need to do is deposit your tokens into the liquidity pool and charge for up to 30 days, and accept their reward allocation before the reward distribution begins. Then you'll receive your reward tokens each day for the next 30 days. So let's jump into the Supercharger walkthrough now. And to get started, you'll need to head across to the Crypto.com site and then to Supercharger on the far right. You'll also need to have signed into your account, and if you haven't already got an account, I'll pop a link in the summary below that will give you a promotional offer. And you'll need to be starter level or above, and unfortunately, those in the US, mainland China and Hong Kong residents are not eligible. From the Supercharger page, you'll view any past or current events at the bottom here. And at present, that includes the likes of Uniswap and Polkadot protocol, which I have a couple of tutorials for. And we can see the Dogecoin event here, where we can earn Doge, and there's a $250,000 allocation. So let's click on to that event. And the event's just started, so let's go ahead and charge now. And as I said, there's a minimum of 100 CRO per deposit, and users are allowed to make multiple deposits too, although they must be from your Crypto.com spot trading wallet. And as I also mentioned, users who participated in previous events, with their most recent being the NEAR protocol, can keep their CRO deposit in the Supercharger pool to be automatically carried across to the Doge event, which mine has, so I'm not going to be depositing right now. But you would just need to agree to the terms and conditions, then review the deposit and the notes. And if you don't already have any CRO to deposit, you can obviously trade for some using the Crypto.com exchange, where they have a lot of trading pairs available for CRO. Alternatively, you can use their DeFi swap product, which I also have a full tutorial for. But just note that the tokens deposited as liquidity in the pool will not count as staking. And from the dashboard, you'll see a section at the top here named Supercharger. And in here you have the event, the status and your balance, as well as the ability to deposit or to withdraw. To withdraw, simply enter in the amount review your withdrawal, and please note that this will affect the rewards that are going to be allocated to you when the event enters the reward period. And the great thing about this is that unlike a lot of DeFi platforms, there's no gas fees to pay here. Then over on the left-hand side of the screen, you also have your pool balance, and this will show you anything with regards to a deposit or a withdrawal record. And your Supercharger rewards will appear in the list here too. Now just heading back to the Supercharger site, in here you can see that the charging period ends on the 29th of March and that the reward period begins on the 31st of March. But how is your liquidity score and your reward calculated? Well, let's start with your liquidity score. First, they take an hourly snapshot of liquidity provided per user. Throughout the charging period, one snapshot of the liquidity pool will be taken every hour and the liquidity provided by each user is logged. Then they calculate the total liquidity provided per user. And at the end of the charging period, they add up the liquidity provided by each user every hour during the 30-day period. Now the next part is really important, and that's with regards to accepting rewards. So immediately after the charging period ends, they'll determine your liquidity score and rewards of Doge according to the terms that we've just discussed. Once this is confirmed, you have the option to accept it any time before the acceptance and reward period starts. To accept your rewards, log into your Crypto.com exchange and visit the Supercharger event details page. And your reward is scheduled to be distributed evenly over the reward period. So to ensure that you receive your full reward amount allocated to you, it's important that you log into the exchange and accept your allocation before reward distribution begins. If you fail to accept your reward allocation before reward distribution begins, you lose a portion of the reward scheduled to be distributed. Now this does sound a little bit complicated, however they do have full information available on their FAQ. Plus I've created a few tutorials about the acceptance period for Uni and Polkadot and how to claim tokens, which may also help. So that's how you can farm Doge with Supercharger. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.